Did you know? Thermal scanning is not entirely accurate detecting COVID-19 symptoms among people. Aidio, a Bangalore-based startup, has designed and built AI-enabled Med Aid Display to stop the spread of COVID-19. Med Aid Display helps in detecting heart rate, respiratory rate, temperature, age and gender. With these parameters you can predict the early symptoms of COVID-19 or any other chronic diseases. Med Aid features contact-less screening, highly accurate, fast screening, attendance monitoring, digital signage, centralized data management. Once the Med Aid scans the individual, this is how the output will be visible. Med Aid Display can be used to screen people at corporate office, government office, metro station, airport, mall, school. It can be used in any places where people gather for a reason.